Why do 80% of professional photographers still use DSLR cameras? Let's crack open the tech that makes them so legendary. Imagine this. You're snapping photos at the golden hour and your smartphone just isn't cutting it. Enter the DSLR camera, a powerhouse born from the legendary SLR cameras. So, what's the big deal? DSLRs use a single lens and a mirror system that lets you see exactly what you'll capture. That means no surprises, just pure precision. And here's the kicker: interchangeable lenses. Whether you want a wide angle for epic landscapes or a macro lens for those tiny details, DSLRs have you covered. But that's not all. Manual controls give you the freedom to tweak every shot to perfection. Want that blurry background effect? Easy. Need to freeze action in a split second? Done. In a nutshell, DSLRs pack versatility and control, perfect for anyone serious about photography. Ready to level up your photo game? Grab a DSLR and let the magic unfold. Hit that like button and subscribe for more analysis of tech being reverse engineered.